Hi guys, thank you for joining with me once again. How are you all doing? And the summers are here, isn't it already so hot out there? But eventually this summer we are not going out due to the lockdown. But in this video today I'm going to share with you 15 tricks or hacks that you can stay at home and do to beat the summer. And some of the tricks you already know, but then this video is a quick reminder of the things that you should do. So without any further delay, let's start with the video. Okay, so the first most important and basic thing is to have enough water. It is very important to keep your body hydrated. Now I'm telling this, but then there was a time when I didn't used to have enough water and I realized how important it is for your body as well as for your skin. So have enough water in a day, keep your body hydrated. Simple basic water can help you in so many ways. So the second thing is have fruits. Preferably I would suggest you to eat watery fruits like watermelon, muskmelon. If you're not into much of drinking water, go for fruits like this. It will help your body again stay hydrated for a longer time. The third thing is please apply a sunscreen. Even if you are at home, you are not going out, you sit near the window, there are rays coming inside. So please apply a sunscreen and keep your skin protected from the rays. It will help you to avoid the tanning. So the next thing is try to have curd or buttermilk with your lunch. It is very hot during the afternoon, so these type of food can help you stay cool. And try to avoid curd during night because that is what happens with me. I usually get cold when I have curd during the night, so see if it works for you. But I think in the afternoon you should definitely have this. Again, the next thing is very important. Please keep yourself fresh and use a body mist and a face mist. You can go with the simple Dabur rose water to spray on your face. It will help you stay cool and fresh, and also use a good mild body mist so that you feel fresh all the day. So the next one is stay comfy, wear comfortable clothes like cotton clothes, your pajamas, your shorts. Again, you don't have to go out anywhere, so just chill and wear comfy clothes. Again, this is the most basic thing that most of you already do, is have bath twice a day. Again, having a good shower before you go to the bed, it will keep you health fresh and cool. So the next thing is have salads. You can include tomato, you can include cucumber with your salad, because followed by that the next thing is having lighter meals. In summer it is advised not to eat very hot food or not to eat too much. So I think you should keep a balance of both the salad and your meal. It will really help your body. So the next one is chia seeds. Again, see if it works for your body. Chia seeds doesn't suit most of the people, so first try it. If it suits you, fine. If it doesn't, just skip it, no problem. But if you put chia seeds in the water and have that water the entire day, it really helps your body stay cool. Chia seeds is one of the best thing you can do during summers. Put it in the normal water and you can have that water the entire day. The next one is my favorite because I tried it and it really worked for me, is the detox water. As the name already says, it detoxifies your body so much and it is so simple. You just have to take water, put in some ice cubes, put some mint leaves and lemon, and you can have this water the entire day. You can also put cucumber and you can also replace the mint leaves with basil leaves. Even those are very good to keep your body temperature cool. The next one, guys, again you have to see the situation in your area, in your surrounding, in your society, and then do accordingly. Because the next one is to take a walk in fresh air. Again, it's not necessary to do this during the lockdown period, but if possible, just take a little walk outside your house or go to the terrace, and yeah, just take in that fresh air. It will help your body. You cannot stay packed entire day, so you can, the least you can do is just sit near the window and take that fresh air. It will be really good for your body. So further we move to doing exercise and meditation at your place. Again, let the natural sweat come out of your body. It will just cleanse your body and you will feel more good and fresh and positive. So yeah, these are the minimum things that you can try at your place and keep your body maintained. So you already got it. The next thing is use a good eye mask for your eyes, and I had got this from Miniso. It has a gel inside that I keep in the fridge, and when I put it on my eyes it is really so cooling. So even if you don't have this one, it's fine. You can simply use the cucumber slice and put it on your eyes while sleeping. It will really be good for your dark circles as well. And lastly, try to avoid black colored clothes during summer because black absorbs a lot of heat, and because of that you will feel more sweaty and hot. So yeah, avoid all the dark colored clothes and try to wear pastel colors. It will be very helpful. So that's the end of this video. And finally, I want to tell you, don't emphasize on doing all the things together because सब 15 चीजें नहीं हो पाएंगी. So try and do things that you can follow on the regular basis, and it will really help you. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. And happy summers. Stay safe, stay fresh, and wash your hands regularly, sanitize yourself, and don't touch your face too often. Very important. That's all from this video. Bye.